Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Game Pass in Roblox. It's super easy, so let's jump right into it. First, head over to roblox.com. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in, select Create from the top menu. You should be redirected to the Creator Hub. If you're not, just go back and select Create again, or you can directly enter create.roblox.com into your address bar and hit Enter. Now that you're on the Creator Hub, head over to the side panel and select Creations. Make sure you're on the Experiences tab. Here, you can either create a new experience or select an existing one that you want to create a Game Pass for. If you're adding a Game Pass to something like this, you can use the default experience provided. Scroll down the side menu and find the Monetization heading, then select the Passes option. Next, click the Create a Pass button. At the top, you'll see a pass image. This is the default icon for your Game Pass. You can either leave it as is or click Change to upload a custom image. Find and select the image you want to use, then click Open. Now, name your pass something like Game Pass or whatever you prefer, and add a description if you like. Once you're happy with your settings, click the Create Pass button. Now, select your Game Pass to open its settings, then select Sales from the side menu. Here, turn on the Item for Sale option. Enter the price you want your Game Pass to be. Remember, as the creator, you'll only receive 70% of the sale price. Once you've set your price, click Save Changes. Now, go back to the Passes page. Hover over your Game Pass, then open the options and select Open in New tab. Here, you can see all the details of your Game Pass. If your Game Pass doesn't show up in the game, make sure to refresh the menu or the game itself. If it still isn't showing up, head back to the Passes page, go to the side menu, and select Settings. Make sure your experience is set to public by adjusting the privacy settings. Save your changes, then refresh your game, and your Game Pass should be good to go. And that's it. You've now created a Game Pass in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.